Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Today I'll be telling you how you can connect PayPal with your WordPress website. So first of all, here we are in the dashboard. We have to go to plugins here, then click on add new plugin. Now search for PayPal, install this application payment plugins for PayPal WooCommerce with 80,000 active installations. Now click on activate. Now here we can see hover on WooCommerce and then now click on payment PayPal by payment plugins. Let's go to settings. Here we have the PayPal settings. Now click on production, click on click to PayPal, open PayPal on the other tab of your same Google account. Here it will ask your email. Enter your password here and click on login. Now it will ask for an OPT for the OTP. Now enter your OTP here. Yeah, after entering my ID and password and then giving it OTP, I have connected it successfully. Here you can see status connected. Everything is connected. So let's now go to the settings. Click on PayPal by Payments plugin. Go to the settings. Here we have the connection setup. Now click on PayPal settings. Here it is enabled. Now you can set on which pages you want. I want it on the cart page and the order pay page on the checkout page. Click on PayPal. Now here you can set up what are the buttons you want when you will be checking out. You can customize the button color here, button shape here, for example, pill or rectangle. Adjust the button height from here. Now, by clicking this, you can enable and disable the Venmo button here, just like this simply. And by enabling card enable, you can simply ask the user debit or credit card info and then click on Save Changes. That's it. Let's check it out. When we That's simple. We are on the checkout page. Here we have some products on our store. When we click on PayPal, here we can see we can pay through PayPal, Venmo. If we want our customers to pay through their credit card, we can simply ask them to pay from here and then check out. So this is how you can simply add PayPal on your website and get payments through it. Do let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below. Have a great day. Bye bye. Do like and subscribe for more videos like this.